Hi, my name is Gabrielle Sudilovsky, and I'm the class of 2022 in the Department of Chemistry. I was able to participate in an internship with Child and Family Health International Mexico, which was funded by the Center for Health and Wellbeing through the International Internship Program. This presentation is entitled Global Health in a Global Pandemic. This summer, I participated in an internship with Child and Family Health International, specifically working with their program in Mexico. I was able to work with community partners in Oaxaca, Mexico, in order to better learn about the differences between the United States healthcare system and Mexico's healthcare system. And I studied the relationship between traditional medicine and Western medicine, and I was able to compare this with my own life and my own experiences with traditional medicine and Western medicine. We also learned about public and global health goals, methods, and different ideas about the topic. Overall, the objective of this internship was to study global health indicators and goals through the lens of Mexico's healthcare system. Child and Family Health International works to disseminate information about global health goals, ethics, and methods, and they really work to help understand the differences between different target countries' healthcare systems, in my case, Mexico, and the United States healthcare system. Overall, I was able to learn most about Mexico and the US, but I was also able to study Ecuador, Bolivia, and Uganda through other partners and through other students in the same internship program, but with a focus on different countries. Overall, I have a lot of different reflections about this opportunity, but most of it comes down to traditional medicine. And I learned how important traditional medicine was for healthcare for many individuals in Oaxaca. Overall, many people rely on traditional medicine either for their primary or secondary healthcare. And so continuing traditional medicine is going to be important into now and into the future. Overall, increasing access to health, both traditional and Western, remains important and will continue to be important. While Mexico's healthcare system works differently than the United States, many people still do not have access to high quality healthcare, especially in rural areas. And so ensuring that these people still have access to healthcare is going to remain important. Two particular roles that are important for traditional medicine include curanderos or healers and parteras or midwives, and they both play a critical role in ensuring that everybody has access to healthcare. Likewise, traditional herbs and plants are used to treat many different diseases. So while every disease is treated in a different way by different communities, there are certain types of plants that are used to treat different types of diseases, for example. And there are some plants that are kind of universally known to treat particular diseases. One of these examples is moringa with diabetes. Now, diabetes is a huge problem in Mexico. It's the third highest cause of death and first highest cause of disability, specifically in Oaxaca. So clearly, treating diabetes is going to be a top goal for healthcare providers. Now, there are different Western treatments, but moringa is also a treatment that is commonly used for diabetes, and this is a more traditional treatment, and many different communities are aware of the abilities moringa has to treat diabetes. Now, I say this, but there have been no scientific studies that have statistically proven that moringa can treat diabetes. There have been some effects observed, but nothing has been proven to be statistically significant. So, overall, through this, I was able to conclude that in order to best treat diabetes, you do need a combination of moringa and Western treatment. And Dr. Chavez of Child and Family Health International Mexico, she agrees with me, and she also has the same conclusion that while moringa can be important and useful, it's still important to consult with a doctor and to find the best treatment plan. Looking ahead, understanding the importance of traditional medicine will help me in my own life in becoming a more culturally competent doctor. One of the things that I don't really understand in my own life is how traditional medicine can be important because it's nothing I've ever used extensively with my family or just with my own community. And so understanding how important traditional medicine can be for people of different backgrounds than my own will continue to be an important thing from this summer and helping me become a better doctor and healthcare worker in the future. Some lasting questions I have is, how does traditional medicine play a role in other regions of Mexico than Oaxaca? Clearly, it's very important in Oaxaca where there is a large indigenous population, but I'm curious how different communities value and see the role of traditional medicine. Another question I have is, how can Child and Family Health International and other nonprofits advocate for the practice of traditional medicine? Are there ways that they could work to better traditional medicine or to better the government's ability to include traditional medicine in healthcare practices? Overall, Mexico's healthcare system is incredibly complex and it does rely on a combination of Western and traditional medicine. This is in regards to treatment in um, specific medicines and overall in general. I would like to thank the Child and Family Health International staff for all of their opportunities with this program. I'd specifically like to thank Dr. Magali Chavez from Child and Family Health International for serving as my mentor on this project, and also the Center for Health and Wellbeing and the International Internship Program for giving me this incredible opportunity. Thank you.